nakapag-insayuhan sa inyo?
Wala ka?
Wala. Kala ko sa inyo lang nagpa-practice.
Opo, pero ano, din lang po sa loob ng bahay.
Saan sa inyo dito?
Po,
Saan bahay niyo dito?
Aurora.
Aurora.
Kumusta yon?
Sa loob din dito?
Opo.
Sa loob din sa...
Sige. Pagod ka na? Hindi naman, oh. Okay tayo. Kasi yung gagawin mo, mapaliwanag ko. Di ba meron tayong 12 rounds na laban? 3 minutes per round. 30 seconds sprint all out next, ha? Talagang, oo. Ito, ito lang, oh. Tak, tak, balik-balik. Pagkatapos, shadow ka. Shadow or light jog or lateral. Next 30 seconds. Sasabihan kita, last 10 seconds, ready ka rito. Sprint ka ulit. So, yan lang, oh, phone to phone. So, 3 minutes. Sa first round, gano'n. Sa second round, pwede lang, 30 seconds. O kaya, ihabos mo yung ayos yung hand. Okay, for 30 seconds, tapos pagsabi. Tapos may pagkatulid, alam mo yan? Yung tulid, yung kaya may ganun ako. Sa single leg yan, isang right leg. Tapos, tawag left leg. Okay. Dynamic stretching ka pa. Magpapakilala lang, pakikilala ko lang tayo lahat. Sige, stretch ka pa yung Lomachenko. So, good morning. My name is Coach Mel and nagte-training kami ngayon ni Carl James Martin together with Coach Abel. Ayun, nag-e-enjoy, no? So we're going to do an interval training for boxing kasi malapit na yung laban ni Carl, which is on March 12. Okay? And these are just suggestions, ano? Kasi iba-iba ang philosophies ng mga coaches. So it's their style. But again, this is to enhance yung cardiovascular ni Carl, and at the same time yung pagod niya, hindi siya ganun mapagod pagdating ng laban. Okay, and for the background, I teach sports subjects and a strength coach for the last 22 years. So yung mga programa hindi naman perpekto kasi wala naman talagang perpektong programa, no? Ang programa is kasi kung may perpektong program, lahat nag-champion, wala nang natalo. So these are all variations, no? Trials and kung ano yung makikitang effective na magagawa in this particular sport sa boxing. Okay? So please hold on because we will start in just a few minutes. Carl is just doing his warm-up. Ano, Lomachenko?
Tatakbo ako?
Oo, ganito. Tumes, ha? Tapos, pwede kang magpahinga after, okay, stopwatch. After 3 minutes, sprint all out.
Puro train sa 3 minutes.
Oo, 30 seconds lang yun. After 30 seconds, mag-shadow ka. Mag-backpedal ka, mag-laterals ka, mag-cardio ka. Pero pagdating ng another, for 30 seconds, ganun gagawin mo. Tapos 30 seconds sprint ulit. 30 seconds backpedal, laterals, cardio ka, etc. Okay, after 3 minutes, pahinga ka. Hindi tayo nakapagdala ng tubig. No? Okay. Ayaw mo mag-duck walk, mag-ganun. Okay ka na? Ready ka na? Sa phone mo? Na-live mo rin? Ayos. Ito, di ba pwedeng i-share? Oo, para kita nila. Okay, so ayun, maraming components ng training. Okay, like for example, skills components, no? There are speed, agility, quickness, power, movement time, reaction time, balance. So these are the skills component na kailangan ng isang atleta. And yung gagawin natin ay isa lang sa mga component, which is ito nga, speed training. In this particular training, meron kaming speed interval. Okay? i-enhance yung heart and lungs, the vascular system to yun, supply ng dugo para nasisimulate yung mangyayari sa laban na dapat yung heart and lungs ready sa pag-supply ng dugo. Every now and then, pupunta ako rito kung may questions kayo, i-post nyo lang dyan so that we can answer it. Okay? Ready? Let's start. Okay? Once we start, wala nang hintuan to ha. All out to ha. 3, 2, 1, and go. So he'll be doing that for 30 seconds. Okay, we are simulating the first round of a fight. Okay, last 15 seconds, best. Last 15 seconds. Kalahati lang, Mes. Sa kalahati lang. And back here. Let's go. Shadow. Enough. Shadow. Shadow. 30 seconds shadow. Laterals. So as you can see, Gomez, shadow ka, shadow. Nangyayari sa laban. Okay? So, na-stress yung heart. Siguro, he's working something like 80, 85, 90%. Yun yung nangyayari sa laban or more than that. No? I'll be right back because he's going to sprint again in 5. Readiness, 4, 3, 2, go. Come on. Kain tayo. After that, okay, sa pang-set. Yeah, let's go. And up, shadow tayo. Shadow, Mes. Too much? Ayos lang. Shadow ka, pwede ka mag-laterals. Pwede. Go. The question ba? So far, none? Alright. Yeah. Bitaw, Mes. 10 seconds. Get ready. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, go. We are now on the second minute. Okay? Second minute, patapos na yung first round. And then after that, I'll give him a minute break kasi yun yung rest in between rounds, no? And he's going to do this for 12 rounds. Approximately 3 times 12 rounds, that's 36. 1 minute in between round, that's 11. That's 47 minutes. Come on, Mes. And stop. Shadow. Back pedal. Lateral. Lateral. 1.5 minute to. Sige, gawa ka ng mga yun. Kasi, patrira. First round ka pa lang. First round ka pa lang. Gawa ka ng mas lang. Ha? Tapos, straight ano ka lang. Okay? 1 minute break. Sayang, wala tayong tubig, Mes eh. 3 minutes. That simulates the first round. So anong gagawin namin on the second round? Just watch. Okay. Wala pa. Shadow pa to. Wala. Kita mo yung max, ano? Para ka nang lumaban, di ba yung pakiramdam? Coach, 30 seconds, second round, takbo na to. Okay? Ready ka na? 20 seconds. Last 15 for second round to start. 10. All out ha. Tapos shadow ka na. Para masanay ka ha. After mo 3, 2, 1, all out mo. We just commenced the second round simulation. So, when you fight in boxing, pag sumusuntok ka, yung heart mo works something like between 85 to sometimes 100% sa mga power punches, no? So, mahirap i-sustain yun. So, kaya meron ka tayong shadow boxing in between. And you stop. Shadow mesh, shadow. Shadow. Shadow mesh, shadow. Let's go. Okay. Again, this is just one skill component sa strength and conditioning ni Carl James. At marami pa kaming ginagawa sa gym session. We do explosive training, we do strength training, we do similar to powerlifting. 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Come on. Come on. Come on. All out, all out. Come on, man. Sunset pa, parekoy. Shadow ulit after, ha? Come on. And shadow mesh. Shadow tayo. Ayos ka pa? Okay, shadow, shadow mesh. Shadow, shadow. So, is it hard? Is it tough? It is, no? As we have said, sub-max yung ginagawa niya do sa 30 seconds. And ini-stress natin yung heart and his lungs and the vascular system or the cardiovascular system. Get ready, mess. 4, 3, 2, go! Come on, mess. Come on. There you go. On third round, I'll give him a different simulation of the stress. Okay, and shadow mesh. Shadow. Last 16 seconds. Shadow ka, mesh. Shadow ka. Naka-share ka, hindi. Okay. Shadow, shadow mesh. Shadow. 10 seconds, Brad. 10 seconds. Okay. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and go. So this is the last minute of the second round. Okay. Okay, tuhod ha. Lower back, okay. Ang dating dyan, yun, may 1.5 ka. Shadow ka ng 30 seconds, then 1 minute break.
Plus it.
Hindi, second pa lang to. Last 4. Pero di-jump ka na sa third, ano? Okay. Shadow, shadow, shadow mesh. So, that concludes the second round simulation, no? And sa third round, bibigyan ko ng different approach, like i-add ko si konting ball slam explosive para lang din yung heart rate niya will be kept elevated at about 85, 90, 95%. I don't know yung may mga questions dyan, di ko pa nakikita. Sorry. Post nyo lang, I will answer it later. Mes, get ready. Ha? Ay, wala pa, wala pa. Naka 1 minute pa tayo. So, Mes, 30 seconds. Slam mo sa floor, 30 seconds. Equivalent to the sprint. After 30 seconds, sabi pa. Sabi pa ha? 30 seconds pa. Okay? So 5th round, 6th round tayo sprint ulit. So ito coach, kaya siya nakapahinga. Second round to third round, 1 minute. 1 minute rest tayo. Paupo ka to, di ba 1 minute rest? Second to third round, no? Get ready. In 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, and go, man. Go. We commence the third round, no? So, again, sa mga nasa into sports science, we're stressing the ATP-CP or the first energy system. Okay? Last 10 seconds, tuloy. Shadow after, ha? We're on the third round. Stop. Shadow miss. So wala kang takbo. Ito yung training mo. Shadow. Digo, tapon. Hangin. Ito yun. Gusto mong hangin. Get ready. Let's go, miss. 3,
Ganito pa rin
2, 1, go! Come on, man. Tuloy. Hey. Tuloy lang. 10 seconds, man. 10 seconds. Isa pa. And walk around. Shadow best. You do a shadow box. So that's the second minute of the third round. Doing great, man. Doing great. Last 10 seconds for the last minute of third round. We're almost done simulating the third round. Question lang, ha? And go, miss. Good. Pangatlo na po yun, ha? Good. 5. Come on. 6. Come on. 8. 9. Pa. And stop. 1.5 rest. Mag-shadow ka, miss. Tapos para yung 1 minute, yun yung rest ng in-between round. Tapos na yung third round, eh. Shadow ka lang dyan. Shadow. Tapon, suntok. Shoulder, okay? Ano? Ha? Nalay? Yo. Nalay? Okay tayo. Third round dyan. Kaya yung patatlo? Ha? Kaya, ha? Tapos stop ko lang. Okay, you got 1 minute going to fourth round. We are now on the transition, 60 seconds or 1 minute transition from third to fourth round. Okay, we're trying to simulate what is happening in the real fight. No, 3 minutes on, 1 minute rest in between, and in that manner, nararamdaman ni Carl yung pagod, yung hirap na nangyayari sa actual fight. Okay? Last 25 seconds and we're ready for the fourth round. Pahinga sa takbo, miss, kasi kumipit, hagis to. Okay? Ganito, miss, ha? Hagis mo as high as you can. Pagpagsak ko, di mo ulit, hagis mo as high as you can. Gagawin mo yung for 30 seconds. Okay? Dito, hagis mo taas. Harap ka doon. Ready? 4, 3, 2, and go. Baba. Good. Hagis. 2. Good. Get namin. Tuloy. We are now on the fourth round. As high as you can. As hard as you can. Yan. Come on, man. Come on. Almost. Last two throws. Isa pa. Okay. Shadow. Ito may structure, may. Kala ko madali, no? Pa-fourth round pa lang to, ha? Last 15 seconds, miss. Last 16 seconds. Walang questions so far. Okay, last 10 seconds. I don't know if my internship class and kung nandyan na. 4, 3, 2, the same. Go. 30 seconds. Let me know, sports science class. Kung nandyan kayo, message kayo. Come on, man. Yung question nyo, class, questions nyo, discuss natin sa Saturday sa klase natin. And for the enthusiast, boxers, boxing enthusiast, one more mess. You can post your question and I will answer that. Stop, shadow. Okay. After ditong round na to, tayo mo. Isa pa dito ha. Fourth round, papasok na yun ng fifth round. Shadow ka dyan, pwede ka mag-shadow next ha. Shadow. 10 seconds. So as you can see, yung tax na ginagawa sa kanya, he's supposed to do a shadow. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. He's supposed to do a shadow after 30 seconds of throwing, or after 30 seconds of sprinting, or 30 seconds of slamming. But because of the, yun na nga, challenge, yung demand, so minsan nagsa-stagger na siya, pero ideally mas gusto natin siyang nagkakaroon ng, come on, 2 more throws ng shadow boxing to mimic what is going to do in the actual fight. And you stop, you do a shadow, tapon konti. And that is the 5th round. Hindi, 4th pala, sorry, 4th round. So we are done with the 4th round. The 3rd minute of the 4th round is almost done. So he's going to have a minute break, or in real fight situation, 1 minute transition from 4th to 5th round. 50 seconds coming up. 30 seconds. Ano, sprint o yan? 30 seconds. Sa first set, ano, mesa, yung dalawang paa. Sa second set, mamaya. Okay. Tapos mamaya, right lang. Tapos left lang. Get ready in 20 seconds. Start tayo ng 5th round. Okay? So an agility drill on the 5th round in 10 seconds. Mesa. Again, grasp or discard. If you think, 2 and go. Mes, dalawang paa. So as I was saying, no, kung yung philosophy nyo sa coaching is mas okay, discard what we are doing. Otherwise, you absorb if you want. 10 more seconds, Mes. 3, 2, and stop. Shadow, Mes, shadow. Kaya mo ka. Anong gusto mo? Mahirap pa sa isang paa.
Subukan natin.
Sige. Right muna or left, pili ka. Last 20 seconds. You're supposed to do shadow, ah. May shadow ka ganitong time. Tapon-tapon lang. Mas hindi ka gumagalaw. Tapon-tapon ka lang. Ano. Okay? That's the first minute of his 5th round. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Single leg, Gomez. Do not step on it. Tuloy, iho. Last 10 seconds. Good.
Yung nakalaban yung
5, 4, 3, 2, shadow, Mes, shadow. So that's the 2nd minute of the 5th round. Okay, so dun sa hindi nakahabol ng maaga. Yun. Hi Kat, there's my one of my students here. Hello. So dun sa hindi nakaabot, later on mapapanood nyo naman yung replay kung ano yung simulation na ginawa namin sa mga first few rounds. 3, 2, 1. Other leg, Mes. Go. So he is now on his last minute of the 5th round. Last minute of the 5th round. Kim Aurin, Boss Kila, Jose Miguel Milan. Shout out sa inyo. Thank you. 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and stop, miss. Okay, kuha hangin.
Patapos yung 5th round, so when may 1 minute ka, sprint ulit tayo ha.
So as you can see, we are touching sa mga sports science again, or suggestion do sa mga coach. You can do this again, grasp or discard. It's up to you kung sa tingin nyo makakatulong sa boxer nyo, then do so. If not, stick to what you have, the philosophy that you have. Okay? Again, there are no perfect program. Tatandaan yan. We're just trying to find what is the best combination of training. And also, this is just one, one concept or component, sa skills component for an athlete. Boss Mark Agkawili, good morning din sa'yo. 20 seconds, get ready to split. Naka-recover ka? Ayos ka lang? Sigurado ha? Last 15 seconds, takluhan ulit ito, mes ha? 6th round na to. In last 10 seconds, is going to sprint again for the start of the 6th round. 3, 2, 1, go! And stop. Okay. Off down. Ano, ha? Sige. Alright.
Ito nga yung Hadis Cup.
Oo. Hindi. Gusto mo, in between, instead of split, ito. Sige. In 10 seconds. As you can see, we'll do a variation instead of sprint. Again, the ATP CP is being worked here. Is going to throw again. Go, Mes. Go. As hard as you can. Yan. Again, question, ba't ito ginawa? Why? Ano yung philosophy behind this? You message and we'll answer. Last 15 seconds, Mes. Good. Come on. Good. That's 2 throws. Good job. 30 second shadow if you want. Tanda mo, baka malito ako sa counting. 6th round, second set. 6th round, second set. Kita mo yung mas mahirap kasi sa box. Yan yung magiging normal. Yung hangin na gusto mo mapagod. Tinatanong kita, di ba? Okay na tayo doon. Patatlo-tatlo. 3 lang, 4, 5, 6. Pero ngayon, pagka nasanay ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, go! So, this is the 3rd minute of the 6th round. Okay? Come on. And shadow. Tapon lang, tapon. Tapon lang. Mes, kung gusto mo, kasi ito, after ng 30 second shadow, may 1 minute ka na. Papunta sa tayong pampito. Gusto mo yung side throw? Okay? Tapos, gitna sprint sa side throw ulit. Okay? Okay, let's check if there are questions here. Kat Hidalgo. How early on the preseason should specific sport conditioning be done? Okay, wait, baka mawala na. Yes, we still have 50 seconds to answer that. Kat, how early on the preparation season? Kat, we are now on the late preseason. So, a couple of weeks, ano niya na, season na or fight day na. So we started the early preseason, believe it or not, last January pa. Doon kami nagkaroon ng subdivision. Again, I'll explain this in our class so that it can be more explained in depth or in detail. Okay? I hope I have answered that, no? Hindi ko ma-answer ngayon, Kat. We are in the middle. Last 15 seconds is going to do his 7th round. 10 seconds. I'll be back. Questions is posted. Ready to start it, ha? 4, 3, 2, go. Side to side. Energy system being worked. 1 and 2. Okay. Again, we are in the 7th round. The first minute of the 7th round. 5, 4, sa pames, and shadow. So, in reality, mas mahirap pa rin, syempre, pagdating nung, hindi natin masabi, again, these are trial and error. Pero apparently, oy! Mess, 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Go, Mess. So pretty much we're simulating what is happening in the real fight and to training. We're trying to correlate, no? In terms of the heart, the lungs, and the vascular system being stressed or being worked. In 10 seconds. After here, shadow. Tapos last one, dito mo throw. Tatapos na tong, ano, hintunan natin.
Ilang rounds ba ko?
12 yan. That's the hint time.
8 ko.
Parang boxing, tama? So, ready ka na rito, ha? Throw ulit or sprint. Pili ka. Slam or huggies or sprint. Ready? Too much? Miss? Let me know. Too much?
Yeah.
And let's go. Let's go. Good.
Dito mo na lang, wala na tayo.
Ito na yun. Come on. Time check. We're just training for 27 minutes. And that's on his 7th round. Ikapitong round, no? Sa pames. And okay. 1 minute and a half. 1 minute and a half. Again, for those in the recreational boxing, please do not do this unless you are supervised by a licensed coach. Okay? That concludes the 7th round. So he is now on the minute transition from 7th to 8th round. 1 minute resto. Sprint. After you sprint or half, yun yung variation mo. Pipili ka na lang. Okay, sprint. Tapos in between nun, sprint yung pangalawa. Pili ka. Kung sprint pa rin, mas okay. Hindi mas okay. Depende sa'yo pakiramdaman mo. Last 30 seconds. So I'm giving instructions to the champ on listen to what he feels. So there are variations that we can touch that energy system 1 and 2. So depende sa kanya kung ano yung nararamdaman niya on this onset time of training, ano. And let's go, Max. 1 minute. Ready na ba? Ano yun? Ano pa lang to? First minute pa lang. Pang 8 na to, no? Okay, ice ka lang? Naka-recover ka? Okay, Tapon. Grabe yung stress, ano? Tayo. Sige, last 30 seconds, get ready ka. We are now commencing on 8 ba? Tama ako. Yes, I'm losing count. On the 8th round of the fight. Okay, so in 20 seconds is going to sprint again. 10, 5, 4, 3, and go. All out. 1. Yeah. Tapon ng suntok, ha? Tapon ng suntok. Tapon lang. Hindi ka. Morning throw. Or yung footwork.
Ayos, coach.
Ha? Okay. $30 is going to do a med ball throw. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Dalawang kamay. Yan, all out. This is the 8th round. Come on. 10 seconds, man. Dalawa, tatlong tapon pa yan. Isa pa. And 30 seconds rest. Ano, 9th round.
Wait muna, coach. Inubuso ko ngayon.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. In 15 seconds, pili ka kung sprint o throw. Okay? Ano
Sprint na lang.
Ha?
Sprint na lang para yun. Ayoko na.
Umaayaw na si Champ pero di pwede. We're on the latter part of his training prior to March 12 fight. So, let's go, Mes. Go, takbo! So, prior to this kind of training, nag-start na kami ng about 8 weeks ago. So, bine-breakdown namin yung mga iba-ibang components, ng skill components on his boxing. Enough! Shadow, Mes. Shadow. Let's go. Okay. Okay, 30 seconds left. Okay. We're going to end here now at we will still continue the last 4 rounds at itutuloy pa namin sa gym yung strength and conditioning. And Mesh, any message? Naka 1 minute rest ka, transition go.
Hindi lang. Thank you sa lahat ng nakafollow at sa naka-like dito sa page at sa mga sumusuporta sa Fit21 Gym. Thank you, mag-iingat po kayo
Ifugao,
palagi.
Wonder Boy, the champ.
Shoutout ko pala sa mga taga Ifugao. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Team Wonder Boy. And I'm out.
Team Fit21. Mga sila Jose, sila John, sila Marie, sila Kim, Aurin. Andiyan pa ba? My class, no? Thank you for watching and let's discuss this on Saturday. For those questions, ano, I will try to rewatch and tignan ko yung mga questions dyan and I will try to answer it as well. Thank you very much and we will proceed to our training. Till next!